Today we have a tutorial for this Encanto movie inspired makeup look, more precisely inspired by Mirabel Madrigal and her outfit. If you're new here, my name is Julia the Mirror Beauty. I make the most colorful makeup tutorials and reviews on YouTube, and let's dive right into this video. Start by doing your eyeshadow, follow the shape of your wing, use a cool purple color or a colourful. I'm using metallic eyeshadows here, although I'm sure it will also look good with the mattes. So blend the border of this color and then start applying the blue color. Fill in your eyelid and blend it slightly with the purple, then go to the lime green color. This is a really sparkly one. And finally, in the inner corner, you can put some yellow color, some bright sunny yellow. After that, clean your brush off a paper tissue or just use a new clean brush and blend the borders of your eyeshadows so that the transition onto the skin is really smooth. The metallic eyeshadows are honestly easier to blend. After that, also apply a little bit of magenta pink color in the outer corner above the cool purple color and make a smooth transition out of it with a small eyeshadow brush. Next, use a glitter primer, tap it with your finger onto the blue color and then use a teal chunky glitter, apply it with a finger or with a brush, whichever you prefer. Tap it in slightly so that it sticks to the primer. After that, take a purple eye pencil, sharpen it well, and sketch out your wing, fill it in, and drag this purple color approximately to the middle of your lid. And from then, continue with a pink eye pencil so that you have an ombre eyeliner as a result. Then apply some mascara. I have a whole tutorial on how to apply your mascara perfectly every time. Use a bright blue mascara if you have one. And then apply some pink eyeshadow to the lower lid, something also metallic and sparkly to match the upper lid, and you can also add a little bit of purple or magenta in the outer corner. Then start painting the butterfly. First paint a stick, which will be the body of the butterfly, the antenna, and then the small sticks which depict where the wings of the butterfly will be, and then add the loops to complete the wings. The technique is the same as we used in the Encanto lip art tutorial, which is linked in the description. After you've finished the wings, meaning the outline of the wings, fill them in with white and you will get the black and white butterflies just like on Mirabel Madrigal's t-shirt. Okay, that was not a t-shirt, probably just a shirt. For the lips, we are going to do an ombre lip, and in the middle use a teal color. That won't be just an ordinary ombre lip, but this will be like one whole color in the middle and the other one on the sides, as opposed to also another color on top and the bottom as you usually do for an ombre lip. So after you finish the teal, apply some cool purple in the corners, fill them in. Try to follow the lip line that you started with the teal and then blend the colors together. Don't be afraid to go over with the teal again to get the smooth gradient and the perfect ombre lippy. And after that, as the final touch, let's add some glitter gel as our highlighter. I'm using a periwinkle color here. You can use some blue or teal to complete the Mirabel makeup look. And I'm feeling a strong Encanto mood, are you? Woohoo! And here's the Mirabel Madrigal's inspired look from the Encanto movie. If you like this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. To me, this look really reminds me of Mirabel Madrigal. I mean, the colors of the lips and the colors of the eyes here really remind of her skirt, and then the yellow, green, and pink on the eyes stand for the designs on her skirt, and the butterflies, the black and white ones, of course mean her shirt, and that's also why I'm wearing this white and a little bit of black shirt with some tropical flowers to give this Mirabel Madrigal vibe. I hope you liked this Encanto tutorial. If you want more tutorials like this, please subscribe to this channel and of course check this playlist with the most colorful tutorials on YouTube. See you there! Bye! Thanks for watching!